Hello, brothers and sisters. Today I'm going to open this go-go carrying robot that's really hot. Inte market. Ten. I got him back. I bought this for the yellow version. Let me show you what's in this box. Look, the texture of the outside. This box is very high quality. Generally speaking, the manufacturer makes this model very milky. First, I'll have a go-go. What will the manufacturer add next? A Type-C charging cable. DC sabote. Quality. 2 pieces of base stickers. 8. A set of stickers to put on this helmet. And this is a guidebook. The manufacturer has a lot of expressions. Yupa, tere wilbea. Something like this, and we're going to install it. This is the base of the Coco Gill. And this is our main character. Now I'm going to open it up and see what it has. It seems to have run out of battery. You have to click the power button. Open the source for it. It's very good. Hey. I finally have it in my hands. This is a 500-piece stand that you can inhale. You can put it on top. Thank you very much, brothers.